Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm going to be sharing some of the pages from my planner bullet journal. This year I decided to create my own planner because I never had anything that suited me, and this is such a fun way to be creative, and it's very useful at the same time. I used some of the Altenew washi tapes and a couple of stamps, and I'm just going to show you how I created some of my February spreads and also the title page for March. So my February spreads are built up of a strip of washi tape from the Pastel Strokes washi tape set, and I'm using a more vertical design for the weekly spread, and I hand journaled my title. But if you want to, you could also use any alphabet stickers you have from Altenew, or you could even stamp the month if you wanted to. And I'm just embellishing this spread using some leaves from the Beautiful Day stamp set, and I'm just adding a couple of stamps. Now I'm trying to keep the colors pretty light because this paper from, well, in most planners is pretty thin, and if you use these inks they will seep through a little bit, so I will see it come through on the other side, but that doesn't really disturb me that much. When I'm happy with the stamped images, I can work on the next spread. So I'm keeping everything really simple. I'm not making it too complicated because I really just want to work through this, have a little bit of fun, but not to spend too much time on it either. See one of the spreads, the weekly spreads for February, and I'm just going to add that washi tape. Now the Pastel Strokes washi tape is pretty wide and it wouldn't fit completely onto my spread, so what I did have to do was just cut it up into strips. You could cut it with scissors, or I just gently tore little strips from the roll. Now for this page I decided to use some of the stamps from the 365 stamp set. I used Remember This Day just to add a nice little quote at the top, and I'm going to use this lovely little bullet just to add a couple of circles, and then I can pop my ideas down or the important dates or important things I have to remember. So this set 365 is perfect if you're into planning and you want to create your own planner or bullet journal. I'm also going to add the year, which is 2019, and this is also on the 365 stamp set, so it's perfect. Now I have finished February, or almost. I still have to do 1 week, and here you can see the Pastel Strokes washi tape, and I'm just tearing up little strips until they fit the page. And I'm going to be using all of these little strips and just adding the smaller ones to the other side. There we go. Now for March, I haven't started on my weekly spreads, but I did want to create the title page. So I went ahead and just drew the title, which is March, the month, and then I used a stamp from the Needlework stamp set, and I'm going to color that in with my colored pencils. Now when I had finished this, I didn't really like the way I had written March. I'm still working on all my lettering and I wasn't really happy with that, but I'm going to keep it like that because it's work in progress. I'm practicing loads, and I hope that April I'll be able to write it a little bit neater or in a different way, something which I like a bit more. But anyway, I'm just going to draw around the edges with a black marker so that the month pops out a little bit better, and then I can start coloring in the flowers and leaves from that beautiful stamp set. Now I'm using really simple colored pencils here. I don't have any fancy colored pencils. I have only just started using colored pencils with my stamps, so I thought I'd just try them with my colored pencils. I've only got 12, so It's not a lot, but it was really fun to do, and it got me thinking, and I might buy some better quality ones and a larger set as well, because I really enjoyed coloring this beautiful image. It kind of put me back in time when I was a child, and I used to color for days and days, and I loved coloring. I enjoyed it so much. I think I still have about 3 or 4 of my coloring books from when I was a child, and I just enjoyed coloring this image. So there you have it. I hope you feel inspired maybe to create your own bullet journal, or maybe just to create a couple of pages, or create a little notebook using some of the stamp sets and some of the techniques I have used today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to be back really soon with another video for Altenew, and I hope you have a lovely day. Happy scrapping, happy crafting, and see you very soon. Bye bye.